Last week saw the elimination, or at least the reduction, of many risks to the global economy and many concerns for business, for investors. Are we now, though, in danger of peak optimism, given that we're at records all over the place?
I think we are in danger of peak optimism because we do not have a phase one trade deal signed. And there's still some things that can go wrong. We also don't have as much clarity on Brexit. Certainly the UK election has moved us closer to that, but there's still some risks there as well. So I think there's this general euphoria because economic policy uncertainty has come down. But I do think it could lead to frothy markets that could be made vulnerable if something goes wrong.
What could go wrong, though? Is it safe to say that we're in the clear at least until the end of the year?
I think we are, but we will want to see when that phase one trade deal is signed, and there could be some issues as we move forward. Keep in mind that China has historically been very reluctant to be pinned down to exact purchases, and we heard that the details are very murky around that. I think that that's one area where we could see friction arise between the U.S. and China. We also have China very focused on a rollback of existing tariffs, and so if they don't see the results that they want to see with that, if the U.S. is reluctant to give back more in the way of tariffs, then that could be problematic as well for getting a deal signed.
What are businesses saying? You speak, I'm sure, to many COOs, CFOs, CEOs. Are they saying that now the coast is clear to make some investment, or is there still the stall button on?
Well, from the few that I've heard from since the deal was announced, they certainly feel much better. But they are a bit wary that another shoe could drop. But in general, I think sentiment has improved quite significantly as a result of this deal being announced.